going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play I Don't Want to Do This Anymore by XXXTentacion. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so for this song you are starting out in standard tuning, and the way to make this as easy as possible is you're going to pop a capo on the 4th fret. If you stick around a few minutes into the video, I will show you the chords without a capo. You can play the song without a capo, just a little bit easier with one. So pop a capo on the 4th fret. So this song is only using 3 different chords. If you need the chord diagrams, they are in the free ebook that's in the description below. So once you get done with the video, go check the description. The free ebook is in there. It has all these chord diagrams. You're starting out with an F chord. It's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. You're barring the 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger 3rd fret A string, pinky finger 3rd fret D string, middle finger 2nd fret G string. If you're not very good with bar chords, you can do this variation. So instead of barring that entire 1st fret, you just put your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and then all your other fingers are the same. Still 3, 3, 2, 1. You can play it that way. Your next chord is going to be a G, that's 3, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. I do ring finger 3rd fret E string, middle finger 2nd fret A string, and pinky finger on my high E string on the 3rd fret. Next chord is A minor, it's 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. I do middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Those are the only chords you need to know, guys. The strumming pattern is going to be a down, 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 up, down, 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 up through all the chords. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down. That's it. That just repeats throughout the entire song. Just keep in mind that the beginning of the song is just the actual song pitched down and slowed down a little bit. So that those are totally different. Those are the same chords, they're just pitched down and slowed down. So when the actual song starts, these are the chords that you play, and it just plays through that the entire time. Now, if you don't have a capo and you want to play this song without one, you're gonna do your first chord as an A. It's gonna be 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0. Next chord is going to be B. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 4, 0, 0. And then finally you're doing a C sharp minor. It's going to be 0, 4, 6, 6, 0, 0. And the strumming pattern for that is going to be the same. It looks like this. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.